The Kiro Home Rockwell has over 80 customer reviews and a 4.6 star rating. Customers frequently mention that the Rockwell is well made, is easy to install, and looks great. The Kiro Home Rockwell is perfect to install on front or backyard porches, in pairs around a garage door, or along a hallway. This sleek light comes in a beautiful brushed nickel finish. The brushed nickel finish is metal plated and not painted or powder coated, meaning it won't rust or degrade over time. The Rockwell is well built and sturdy, allowing it to fit in both indoor and outdoor areas. This sleek light is able to withstand all weather conditions, as it features rubber rings at the top and bottom caps to keep moisture out. This wall sconce features a frosted bottom glass cap and accent stripes that provide a warm and inviting glow that won't hurt your eyes when lit, while the top glass is clear, which emits the perfect amount of light for dark areas. Feel free to set the mood or adjust the level of shine, as the Rockwell is dimmable when used with the proper bulb and dimmer combination. As always, the Rockwell light is ETL listed for your safety. You may notice similar competing items on the Amazon market space. These items will say UL listed sockets, or not have UL or ETL listings at all. This is simply a tactic to cut a corner and save a buck. However, at Kiro Home, all of our factories and items produced in those factories have been subjected to certification by those safety labs. Our feedback is never influenced or bought. All of our reviews are genuine and truthful from real customers. And remember, we are a US-based company with real local support. So if you ever encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us online, on the phone, or by the email listed on all of our product manuals and packaging.